guys, Jeff the Nature Guy here at ZooMontana, and you know, we've talked about Ivy the mink before, but I've got some things I want to talk about minks real quick. So first of all, let's talk about Ivy herself. Now, you're going to look at her and you might notice something's a little bit different, and that's really what I wanted to talk about. Her tail is gone. What in the world happened? Well, I've got some sad news, but some good news. Let's talk about the sad part first. She had cancer, and we all know cancer is a disease that just stinks. There is really no animal out there that seems to be immune from cancer. I'm sure there is somewhere, but it gets a lot of people, gets a lot of animals as well, and Ivy was no different. The good news, however, is that it was centralized in her tail. Now, the bad news again, that means that tail had to come off, but she is alive and healthy, and that is all that matters. Yes, she doesn't have a tail, but here at the zoo, that is not going to affect her life, and that is not going to affect her ability to still be a mink. And you can still see that she's actually pretty mobile despite losing that tail. So we are just happy that she is healthy and we were able to get her through that illness. Now, with that said, you might remember minks, obviously really cool animals found here in Montana. They are a mustelid, so related to the otters and the wolverines. They're long, obviously they're built to get into small burrows and find vermin, things like small rodents, maybe a fish on the creek side, but cool animals, and if you're lucky enough to see one in the wild, they're just fascinating to watch. One thing I did want to mention about mink though, which is very interesting, is that mink are known to carry and can carry COVID-19. We've all heard about this virus, coronavirus. Well, guess what? In Denmark, there's a lot of fur farms that have mink, and unfortunately, a couple of the fur farms actually had mink that had the coronavirus, and it was passed to humans. So in Denmark, this is horrible. They are killing 17 million minks in order to take care of that problem. That is a sad, sad day. But the interesting thing is that we do know animals can get coronavirus just like humans. We know big cats are susceptible, and obviously some of these mustelids like ferrets and mink. So just keep that in mind. But guys, until next time, I am Jeff the Nature Guy here at ZooMontana, and please come on out and check out our tailless mink. See you soon.